Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Mi 11 Lite and I'm gonna show you how to change aspect ratio in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in a standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner. When we pick this button we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. Now let's focus on the first one, settings bar. Here we can manage aspect ratio. We are in 3 and 4. Let's go to the left to 1 and 1. And as you can see, the background now has changed to the square one, so this is how it works. Another tap to the right corner and let's move to 9 and 16 ratio, so this is the longer one. And when we pick the right corner button once again, we can get access also to the full camera aspect ratio, full camera frame, so this is how it looks like. Now let's tap to the right corner once again. You can pick here whatever you need. Let me go back to 3 and 4, the original one. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.